This drink is called a Viva Villa, and it contains one of everybody's favorite liquors, tequila. Tequila, tequila. Okay, what we want to do is we want to rim a glass. You want to take a lime or you can get some lemon juice. You're going to rim an old-fashioned glass like this. This will help the salt stick to it. You want to dip it in a margarita rimmer. You can get this from a supermarket. So you get a nice, I'll let you take a look at that. This salt happens to be green. You can buy kosher salt, which looks like regular white salt, only it has bigger granules in it, so it sticks better to the glass. We're going to mix some lime juice and some sugar into our shaker glass with ice. We're going to start with tequila here, and we need 1.5 ounces. Now, if you want to know where tequila is made, it's actually made in the tequila region of Mexico. And you've probably heard of something called mezcal, which is the bottle you see with a worm in it. That is different. That's made outside of that region. So they're kind of made the same way, but it's like whiskeys. It depends on what region of Mexico it's made from. Now, you want the juice of 1 whole lime, but we're going to take a shortcut, and we're going to use this little guy, which you can pick up at your supermarket. It saves you a lot of valuable time squeezing limes all day long. That looks good. And we're going to sweeten it up with a little bit of sugar. Now, let's shake this puppy up. This is going to taste real good. Real good. Like so. We're going to add some ice into our old-fashioned glass. And then we'll strain this into our salt-rimmed glass. It's kind of like a very potent margarita almost, because it's not involving a lot of juices. Just a tequila. Look at that. Ooh. Add our straw. Kick back and relax.